front section of the frame. This is the COYOTE DH2 again. Someone ground this out for reasons unknown. I think it was a bit differently shot. It's purely cosmetic, but I just want to build this up a little bit so it doesn't look so ugly when it's repainted. This really will be low. Slightly in the way of me welding, you know. I'll try. Bloody forgot to press record, didn't I? Typical. Anyway, so that's the weld there. I welded that at 85 amps. As you can see, it's filled in quite nicely. Of course, I forgot to trigger on the end there, but never mind, I filled it in anyway. So yeah, 7005 aluminium. I don't want to be too much heat into this because it'll alter the heat treat of the whole piece, and you know, basically anneal it, so it'll be very, very soft. I'm going to do a quick bodge of using the extractor to cool this thing down a bit quicker, so the heat doesn't conduct through the rest of the workpiece. Weld here, somewhere around here, I don't exactly know where. Shot blasted it, so I can't really see. Still one or two remnants of the old paint and the etch primer that was really hard to get off. But I mean, if it ain't coming off with a shot blast, it's not going to come off in service, so I'll just paint over the top of that, that's not a problem. So a few little tiny bits. And yeah, just got these crank set, the original crank set off of it. L&M downhill. Who remembers when a downhill bike had a, what's that, 44 tooth? Something like that. Yeah, 44 tooth black spire, 5-pin crank. It looks like it may have been double capable as well, so that's a seriously heavy bit of kit. Well, I say that, there's 3 Allen keys and there's like a keyway there. Pretty heavy duty, but not monstrously so. But yeah, pretty beefy back in the day. Square taper, of course. Obviously that's going to be replaced. Although, despite being in the shop blaster, it's quite surprising it still feels in mint condition. I'm not joking either. The seals actually kept out most of that shop blast scrap. Pretty surprising. Now it's a Shimano BBUN 72-E for those playing along at home. Original shop steel works, so I'll throw that back on there with some new hardware, of course. And yeah, that concludes this video of the COYOTE DH2 from 1996. See you later.